A very good evening. Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I'm going to share with some point related to public speaking. So that is one of the important point is 11 tips for a public speaking. So we'll see one by one what are the 11 tips. Why we say it's 11 tips and if this 11 tips are if we follow we can be a good speaker. We'll see how good this is and how it is helpful for us. Could be a delivering presentation at work, giving a like most important place where we are speaking. We'll see one by one. Here are the 11 public speaking tips to help you makes you next time you have to speak in front of an audience. So first is write it out. So create an outline of your speech to organize the context, and even it is going to be a quick or 1 or 2 minute speech. Writing a focus beginning, middle, or end you can that helps you to make a clear idea, key ideas you want to convey. So write it out. Next is about start strong. So your audience attentions is very important. You can do this by starting your speech with a surprising statistics or a joke or a interesting some questions, some riddles, like you can make them to attract. So ask why, what, how, use well-known proverbs. So that makes audience to improves and that develops a curiosity. So third is about the be yourself. So if you get a chance about the public speaking, it could be a very interesting and more famous public speaking, or even if you back to your speech, and you should know what you are. The lack of authentications that makes you to be very improvisations and keep yourself very confident, and that means avoiding the unwanted and irrelevant matters towards the speech. So write a speech as a starting points and not as something you uh, not needed exactly. So make sure that what you want to write, so that should be delivered very quick and short manner. The next is about the practice. So we have a proverb like practice makes man perfect. So practice goes hands in hands with the first three tips. How your speech comes across your audience. So work out and make sure you are able to clearly and confidently pronounce your speech. Feel more comfortable with the message you are delivering. Test a drive your openings, especially if you are going to tell it some jokes or something. Next is about the pace yourself. So in public speaking, pace uh, is the speed that your you speak. Talk too fast and the audience may not be able to understand your grasp or the topic. Speak too slowly and they can become a bore, and this trick accordingly you can make sure that, for example, speak quickly and convey an like urgency of speak slowly to build a tension. You could find yourself speaking quickly even though you didn't plan to do so. So sometimes the speakers do this out of a very nervousness. To help slow yourself down, try speaking like a voiceover and just uh, convey some points which is related to that topic. Both will force you to slow down. Then is dress for success. While you can't necessarily control every details of speech, you can control how you look. Dress in a comfortable and clothes that makes you feel good about yourself. This will help you feel confident. That's why you should dress down very comfortably and prepare for the worst. So this might sound some negative, but imagine the worst case scenario that could happen during your speech. So that also you have to imagine could help them to climb your down. So in a like you can say the suggest that when you are afraid of something, you may over streamline how to be a bad it will be. So you must be prepared for everything. So if goes something wrong, if it is a worst case, so that also you should be ready to face that. Then tour of your space behind, like what you want to. Don't tell surprising venue layouts and your speech. So before a speech, walk around the venue of your, you can touch the podium. If you are going to be holding a microphone, hold it on walk around. So this all or nothing but tour space, like nothing but where you are going to travel for the next 1 hour or 2 hours, depends upon your speech timing. Get the audience invested. Like if you want to keep your audience, and you must make them to very interesting, participate them to your speech. One way to do this is maybe to ask for some type of uh, physical movement, like show hands, just hands up, and identify with something. So these are all makes them to involve into your speech. Then important one is another is make eye contact. So it's very important that you are seeing everyone accordingly in an audience perspectives. So looking at your audience will also allow you to guess the uh, what you want to say. So this can help you figure out when we switch out your place. So certain points can be that. Next, last but not least, it's all about the ask about the feedbacks. So the most important one is about the feedback. So by with the feedback, that helps you the present conversation as well as the future. You can develop the your mistakes. We can learn many things from the mistakes. So don't get over. So for your any negative feedbacks, so make sure and that you should not make the same mistakes for the next. So the feedback is the most important and very important aspects in your delivering the message. So these are the some points that you can follow while you are in a public speaking. Thank you.